Pros and cons of renting a BTO apartment in Singapore. Renting a BTO apartment in Singapore can be a great option for prospective renters looking for accommodation in a cost-effective, convenient and well-located place. 1. Cost is often the first factor tenants consider when looking for a rental property, and BTO apartments offer an affordable solution to this problem. 2. Additionally, the location of BTO apartments is often well established and close to amenities, making them an attractive option for renters. 3. Furthermore, the convenience that comes with renting a BTO apartment is undeniable, as the process is much simpler than buying a property. 4. In addition, there is the possibility of reselling the apartment, as the value of the apartment can increase if it is well maintained. On the other hand, there are also some disadvantages of renting a BTO apartment in Singapore. 1. One of the main disadvantages is the limited options. 2. As BTO housing availability is limited, some people may find that they are unable to find the right apartment for their needs. 3. Additionally, the process of applying for and renting a BTO apartment can often be lengthy and complicated. 4. Finally, there may also be restrictions on who is entitled to a BTO flat rate, such as income and nationality. All in all, renting a BTO apartment in Singapore has both advantages and disadvantages. Anyone looking to rent an apartment should carefully weigh the pros and cons before making a decision. With the right research and preparation, finding the perfect apartment can be a rewarding experience.